My real name is Joe, and I've been living with leukemia for 11 years, and unfortunately it's back. Because I will beat this, and I will be back, so you will see me very, very soon. I miss y'all. Overwhelming and godsend. Thank you so much. And that overwhelming support that you gave me, it gave me strength. It gave me new life. I'm in remission, y'all. Thank you.
What was it like to be back in the ring last night?
It was amazing. All my fans, they all rallied behind me. I just felt like I was surrounded by guardian angels. The big dog is back!